Guys, PU Prime right now are doing a copy trading contest. Yeah, this is a great chance to earn some passive income, not just from copying the right people or providing signals to people via the copy trading system in PU Prime, but also actually winning the prizes for this specific campaign. Now, this is financial advice, but let's dive into this. So here we are in the PU Prime website, and you can see here, this is the copy trading competition that they are going to be doing, or they're currently doing right now. And basically, they're doing a prize pool of $8,000 US. We'll get into this in a minute. But if you don't know what copy trading is, guys, it's super easy to do, and you can do it on their app that they have as well. So basically, with copy trading, what you do, you sign up, connect your broker, and then, yes, you would basically be able to copy other traders that are making successful trades. This way, you're not going to be bugged with adrenaline or anything like this, right? Basically, if they make a profitable trade, you make a profitable trade instantly and effectively as well here. So that is fantastic. But how does this specific promotion work? Well, here we can see that, yes, if you are a top signal provider, what you can do is actually get $1,000 for first here for the highest lots traded. And if you are making a lot of money here and you get the highest profit rate, you can get another $1,000 there as well. So if you are a good trader that trades a lot of volume, then you got $2,000 up for grabs here for being the best there. But even if you are in the top 5 here, I mean, we can see pretty decent rewards for free just simply by copying or being a trader and having people copy you. So you can see second will be 800 for lots traded and profit rate, 600 for third, 400 for fourth, and a $200 for fifth. So that is fantastic. A brilliant little prize pool there. If you do want to get involved and you want to try copy trading, this can be a great way to get going. And you can see they're also doing a weekly lucky draw. So each week they're going to take 5 of the best signal providers and then, yes, 5 of the copiers as well to randomly receive $50 in cash rewards simply by participating in this and using the platform. So good stuff there. And how do you participate? Very, very easy. All you got to do is open up a live account, use the link in the description to get going on that, guys. And then, yes, all you got to do is start trading or copying. And then you can obviously rank on that leaderboard and get the 8K plus get the 50K if you are selected out of the top 5 every week in the copiers or the traders, which is cool. Besides that, yeah, definitely consider using PU Prime because not a lot of brokers and platforms out there actually use copy trading or allow copy trading. And these guys actually have the lowest fees, fastest transaction time, and the copy trading system is very, very intuitive and easy to use. And I use this every day. It is fantastic. Definitely consider getting the app and getting involved with this. So that is the PU Prime copy trading contest. Definitely check it out in the description, guys. That's going to be it from me. We'll see you in the next video.